my marriage, my life, I will do everything to keep my home. Yes. Everything I said. I will give anything. Yes. I'll give anything to save my marriage.
Hi. Muka Comitico. Max Muka Comitico. Muka Comitico. Max Muka Comitico. Hi. Hi.
Muka Comitico. Nwoke Akomitico. Eric, I am your best man. Can you own up and tell me the crime you committed against your wife that is troubling you this way? Or better still, Own up to your wife. Tell her what you did. She might forgive you. Both of you are one. Even the Bible says that 1 + 1 is 1. That is the institution of marriage. Both of you are one.
My guy, Mangota. Maxi Mangota. Mukemi Mangota cha. If I should tell you the gravity of what I've done, you'll be surprised. Do you know I could not look into the face of my wife and talk to her? If I should let the cat out of the bag, pity.
How do you mean?
Sir.
Max, I've sinned against God. I have sinned against my wife. I opened my mouth today and declared that I will never, ever have a broken home. Or drop possible.
What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. I have never walked a committee go. I am so confused and troubled.
If my husband gets to know about my dirty little secret, I'll lose everything. I'll lose my home. I'll lose everything.
I'm so sorry to hear this. But you know I'm your best friend, right? The one you can confide in. You know you can tell me literally everything. Yeah? Do you mind talking to me about it? You know your secret is safe with me. You can share it with me, Amara. Listen, it's okay. Stop. Can you stop this? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Okay. This secret of yours you're hiding from your husband, does it have anything to do with the dream you had? You said one woman attacked you. You can talk to me, right? Come on. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. Do you remember the face of the woman you saw in your dream?
What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? myself, what stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this? I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go.
Okay, welcome, sir.
Yeah, Jumbo. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's your madam in?
Okay, madam, feed the inside. Feed the inside.
What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this? I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this?
How was your day?
Good. And yours?
Well, my day has been beautiful so far.
Nice.
Thank you.
Hey,
Hi,
how are you?
you're welcome. I'm fine.
Anyways, so my husband is back. I need to take him inside.
Exactly
So,
what you should do,
when you do?
babes.
So, shut the door behind you.
I'll be on my way soon, Diane.
Alright. Bye. Bye. touch his food. This is very unlike him. I think my husband has found out. He has found out my dirty secret. Helen, my husband did not touch his food. You know, Eric, he's a foodie. It's very unlike him not to eat. Helen, you're not listening to me. I know what I am saying. My husband has been acting strange since he got back. Helen, I am scared. I'm troubled. I don't know what to do. If my husband finds out, I am finished. God. You know what, I'll call you back, okay?
Fusion in the air, trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long.
If I ever thought of what could make marriage last forever, even when the storm is on the increase. Can I ask you something?
Yes, go ahead, it's fine.
Tell me, do you truly love me?
Of course I am. I do. I do love you.
Will you ever leave me?
Why, is something wrong? Why are you asking these questions? What's the problem?
Will you still love me? Even with my flaws?
Honey, you need to tell me what's going on. You're scaring me. I don't... What is it?
What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this? I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this?
Mama, good morning.
Hey, I don't know.
Mama.
Is it Kibia?
No, Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
You're welcome.
I came to check on Neka, my friend. I've not been seeing her around.
Neka. Neka woke up one morning and said that she's going to my mother's place to stay.
Her grandmother's place? I thought she said your mother traveled for Mugo. What then is she doing there?
She said she's going there to stay for a while. Neka is now a big girl. Oh.
Mama, she never discussed it with me. But I will go there to see her later.
Adanem.
Mama.
That is very nice of you. That's how they know good friend. Yeah? Good friends always look after each other.
Thank you, Mama.
What about your mother and your sister?
They are fine.
Oh, you're welcome.
Mama, let me help you sweep.
Hey, Ada?
Cannot be here and watch you sweep.
It's okay. Thank you. Let me go inside.
Okay.
When you finish, you join me inside.
Mama,
I want to tell you something.
No problem. Do you have water? So that after sweeping, I will go and fetch for you.
Sweeping first. Finish first. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
What are you going to Ezudo Kingdom to do? Ada, you started seeing men, Abi. You started visiting
Izu,
men.
please stop. Just stop.
Then tell me what you're going to Ezudo Kingdom to do. Or do you have relation there?
I keep telling you to stop suspecting me. You're my boyfriend. Look, you're the only relationship I have. There's no how I will cheat on you.
You still haven't answered my question. Tell me what you're going to Ezudo Kingdom to do. Just answer the question.
Well, if you must know. Neka, my friend, is in her grandmother's place. I'm only going there to see her, that's all.
Neka, your friend, is at her grandmother's place.
Yes.
I thought she said her grandmother traveled for Mugo.
Yes, her grandmother traveled, but Neka is there all alone. Maybe to keep the compound clean and busy. I don't know any other thing.
Ada, are you sure you're not lying to me?
Yes, I'm not lying to you. You must think I'm a flirt, right? Look, I'm not that kind of a girl.
Someone angry with me now, huh? Come on.
Maybe.
I'm sorry, okay? Come here. I never said you're a flirt. You're not a flirt, alright? It's just that I wouldn't want to wake up one morning and my property end up becoming another man's property.
You're so annoying. I'm out of here.
It's alright. Let's see who's going to come back to say, Uncle Waya Waya, my name is Oliver Twist. I need some more, baby.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm only talking to Auntie Waya Waya, the one that cannot do without Uncle Waya Waya, the one that is always calling, craving for Uncle Waya Waya Shakiti Bobo. You know how it is.
You're mad. You're mad. You're mad. Leave me alone.
I love you. You know you can't get enough of my Shakiti Bobo.
Please.
Come on, baby. You know what? You know what I'm saying? I got you. You know I'm your wire, right? Come on, let's go dig it. Come on.
I'm not going. No.
Mama, what are you feeling at Chikoa? I don't understand what you're saying. What do you mean my sister left for Ezudo Kingdom all alone? Mama, we are saying exactly the same thing. It's not like Grandma is still there or any other person she's going there to meet. What is she doing there? So why would she leave where you are now, go into Ezudo Kingdom to stay there, all alone? Mama, you know what? I'm just going to hang up right now and put a call across to her myself. I'll call you. She's not picking up. Waneka, can you just pick up your call for goodness sake? exactly is she doing in Izudo? Going to stay there alone?
What is my friend doing in this compound, all alone, here in Ezudo Kingdom? Why are you here? You must be here for a reason.
This compound is the home of my grandmother, who has traveled for Omugwo. It wouldn't be a bad idea if a granddaughter decides to visit the home of her grandmother just to keep it warm in her absence.
I've read my friend like a book. Front page to the back, word for word, that I can almost read her footsteps. Neka, my friend, is not gentle and calm the way people mistake her. She makes the loudest noise in silence. She's a viper. Contrary to what people think, she's a scorpion that stings the anus when it's least expected. And above all, my friend is a green snake in green grass. Waneka, why are you here? What are you up to? What is your mission here? I can feel it. I know you're up to something. Are you bothered? You can share it with me. Look, Ada, your friend, is here to stand by you, always.
I prepared a meal. Join me if you wouldn't mind.
Babe?
Yeah?
Is there a problem? I mean, is something wrong? You've been acting strange recently.
Really?
What do you mean, really? I served your food yesterday, you didn't touch it. You hardly cuddled me like you used to. And then you asked that question.
About the food. I lost my appetite.
Why?
There's nothing. There's nothing. Don't bother yourself, I'll be fine.
The kids, Jasmine and Jamil. Your sister called. The section is ended already and we need to start putting things in order for the new section. We need to make provisions available for them, everything they need. You know, schooling abroad and schooling here is not the same thing.
I have already taken care of that.
And you didn't tell me. Where are you going?
Trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free. Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter
What have I done to myself? I just hope I am doing the right thing. But for how long will I continue to be here? Hey, now Wada is observing me closely. But why on earth did she go and return with her bag? She will soon get to find out the reason I am here. Chai, what kind of mistake is this? Will she ever forgive me when she finds out? This will surely jeopardize our relationship. Mama and my sister, hey, what will they say? No, I just have to take the bold step and damn the consequences. Yes.
What are you still doing here, all alone? I know something creepy is going on in that creepy mind of yours. It's okay if you do not want to talk to me about it yet. I went home to get a few of my personal belongings just to stay here with you as long as you want. I don't want to see you stay here all alone, all by yourself. No, not when you have a best friend like me. My mother and my younger sister traveled to the neighboring town to see my sick auntie. They are not coming back anytime soon, so I have all the time. Few days, few weeks, few months to stay here with you as long as you're here. Guess what? On my way home, I saw that guy, that's Nabike guy. That one that is always claiming that he must be your husband. He was asking me about you, and I'm like, call her on the phone. Don't ask me. I'm talking to you. Are you actually here with me?
If I don't find out why you're here,
then my name is not Ada. Moabada of Lasili Junli. Hey, I must find out though. I leave food for gossip. I must find out.
Confusion in the air, trouble everywhere, heartbreaks in the heart. Where is it leading to? Say the truth and shame the devil. Say it out and prove your level. No matter how long it takes, you can never stop the truth. Like smoke, it must arise. When the moment of truth comes, the center can no longer hold. Swallow up your pride and set your conscience free.
Okay.
It is high time you faced your fears. Own up to your wife. Tell her everything. Listen, the beautiful thing about solid marriage is transparency. If you're transparent to your wife, don't hide anything from her. Tell her everything, and you enjoy your marriage. Trust me.
You think so?
Oh, I know so, Eric. I know so. Okay, let's look at it this way. How will you feel if someone outside tells your wife what you're going through? What do you think will happen in your house? Your house will explode. So just go on. Tell her everything.
Come on, man. Come on. I'm still...
Why you just walking like that without...
Listen to me. If you don't shut that trap, you call him out, I am going to help you do that. Do I look like a stranger to you here or what? Now, leave my sight.
Sir, I was just trying to let her understand that courtesy demands you have a prior notice before anyone walks into your office, no matter who the person is.
Really? Now, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? Maxwell, what in God's name is the meaning of this? I am talking to you. I need you to start talking. Start talking right now. Start talking.
Honey, what is it?
Don't honey me anything.
Honey, come on. What is it? What is the problem?
All these years, I was busy blaming myself for our inabilities to make babies. I never knew that you, this man, is impotent. You lied to me. You hid it from me. Yes, if I hadn't found this under the bed, I would still be blaming myself. Whereas you, this demon, is the cause. You are evil. You are evil. Yes. You. You.
Calm down. Trust me, I am working on it. Honestly, I am working on it. As a matter of fact, in no distant time, I'll be fine. It's here in the report. I wasn't important when I got married to you. I was okay until I had that accident. Of course, you know about it. Notice that I'll be fine.
Listen to me. Maxwell, I actually look like a daft to you, right? No, I'm blind, and I cannot read and understand what was written on this report about your chances. Now listen to me. For trying to blame me this way, I will make you pay for it. I promise.
Hey guys, come on. You can sort this out at home, okay? Come on. You see.
What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. What have I done to myself? What have I brought upon myself? What stupid thing have I done? I do not want my home to break. I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up, walk your committee go. Who can take me out of this? I have messed up, walk your committee go. I am so confused and troubled. I have messed up,
For how long now?
What? What for how long now?
Don't you dare pretend to me. You know exactly what I am saying. You're pregnant. Look at your face. Neka, it's written all over your face. Look at your eyes. For how long now?
It's 4 weeks now.
Oh my goodness. 4 good weeks? This is the reason you left your house for this place, right?
I didn't want my mother to know. Because I felt she was already suspecting me.
Neka, you don't have any boyfriend that I know of. Who is responsible? Who?
You wouldn't even want to know.
Hello, sir.
Yeah? Yes.
I've been calling on you, sir. I called the intercom separately, but you're not picking up. The men from F&G are here to see you, sir. They have been waiting. Sir?
Yes.
Should I let them in, sir?
Okay. Let them in. Come on.
Okay, sir.
Neka.
No, Nnaka. What are you girls doing in this village? Because I learned that since you came to this village, you have not returned to Umodala. What are you girls up to?
Mama, we're only here to keep this house clean. In fact, when we start cleaning this house because it's very dirty, we'll clean from morning till night. We'll not tire. We'll be keeping it very warm.
It's all right. In the house warmers. Go in there. Tell Nneka to pack all her things. We are going back to Umudala now. Hey! Inechinti, did you hear me? I said you should go in there, tell Nneka to pack her things. We are going back to Umudala now. Hey!
Okay, Mama. But please, let's wait till Nneka comes back from the stream.
Oh, stream?
Yes, she went to nearby stream.
Nearby stream?